Hello guys, welcome back to my space. In today's video, we'll explore how to create eye-catching product images for Amazon using Canva. Whether you're a beginner or just want to refine your skills, this simple step-by-step guide will help you design like a pro. First, open Canva and click on the Create a Design button. From the dropdown, select Edit Photo. This lets you choose an image from your computer to work with. For this tutorial, we're editing a product photo of a face roller. Once your photo is uploaded, select it and click on Edit Image in the menu. Here's where the magic begins. Start by using the Background Remover tool to eliminate any distractions and make your product stand out. Next, adjust the size of your image to meet Amazon's requirements. Simply click Resize and input the necessary dimensions. Now, let's place the product correctly on the canvas. If it feels stuck, right-click on the image and select Detach from Background. This unlocks it so you can easily reposition it to the center. To make your product pop, adjust the brightness, contrast, and saturation. Head over to the Adjust section under Edit Image and use the sliders to enhance your product. For darker products like our face roller, reducing saturation slightly helps to achieve a polished, professional look. Finally, let's add a shadow for depth. Go to Elements, search for Shadow, and pick one that suits your product style. Position and resize it until it looks natural, giving the impression that your product is resting on a surface. Once you're happy with the edits, click on the Share button, choose your desired file format, and download the image. That's it. Your professional-looking product image is ready to be uploaded to Amazon or any other platform. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more design tips. See you next time.